Today I'm going to be talking about some fun ways to practice addition. The first idea is on a sheet of paper, like have different sums and have the first grader do it. The next idea is on a piece of cardboard. The next is saying two numbers and have them say the answer. The next is telling them a story. For example, like I have two apples. Sam gave me one more. How much more do I have? The next is blocks, like stacking blocks and seeing if they can say the number. The next is pom poms. The next idea is sticky notes on the wall, like have the sums on the wall and have them grab it and write on a sheet of paper the answer. The next is hide and seek addition, like put the sums on a piece of paper and hide the answers in like different places in the room and have them find it. The next is color the right number. So just like on a sheet of paper, like something like this. And I got this from the kindergarten mom page, so be sure to check her out as she has like different types of worksheets. So try these activities and let me know how it goes.